Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear grade 6 students, hello again. I am Ahmed Al Farahati and I wish you all the best of everything. Today, inshallah, we will study Unit 4 Survival, Lesson 7. Please open your class book to page 36. Yes, this page. What are the aims of this lesson? Let's check. Unit 4 Survival, Lesson 7, Classbook page 36, Activities 1, 2, and 3. The aims. In this lesson, students will listen to a radio program for specific information, match pictures to words, make suggestions about things they should take on a trip after a listening task. Dear students, before we start this lesson, let's look at this activity as a warm-up activity.
Tape script 4.6.
Walk south 2 steps. Walk east 2 steps. Walk west 3 steps. Walk north 1 step. Walk south 3 steps. Walk west 2 steps. Walk south 1 step. Walk east 3 steps. Walk north 2 steps. Walk west 1 step. Walk north 3 steps. Walk east 1 step.
Dear students, you are asked to follow these instructions and you will use them and other instructions like them later. Let's go to page 36 of your class book. Activity 1. Listen and find. Listen to this radio program. You will hear people talking about the things that you need to take on a trip to the desert to make sure you are safe. Listen carefully and take the things you hear described. Now you are asked to listen and take the things you hear described. Then come back to check your answers.
Tape script 4.7.
Welcome to our weekly travel program. This week we're going to look at travelling into the desert. There are many items that you should take with you when you go on a trip into the desert to make sure that you have a happy and safe experience. I'll begin by telling you about a few of the most important pieces of equipment you need to take. You should take a compass. You should take a spade. You should take some matches. You should take a torch. You should take a tent. You should take water containers with lots of drinking water. These are just a few of the things you should take. Of course, there are many others.
Now you will listen again in order to check your answers.
Tape script 4.7.
Welcome to our weekly travel program. This week We're going to look at travelling into the desert. There are many items that you should take with you when you go on a trip into the desert to make sure that you have a happy and safe experience. I'll begin by telling you about a few of the most important pieces of equipment you need to take. You should take a compass. You should take a spade. You should take some matches. You should take a torch. You should take a tent. You should take water containers with lots of drinking water. These are just a few of the things you should take. Of course, there are many.
Thank you. Activity 2. Read and match. Look at the pictures above. Match each picture to one of these words. Here you are asked to write the numbers of these pictures next to these words. Take your time to do the activity, then come back to check your answers. Hello again. Let's match each picture to one of these words. An anchor. Picture 11. An axe. Yes. Picture 18. Some candles. Picture 3. A compass. Picture 6. A fishing rod. Picture 4. A hammer and some nails. Picture 12. A knife. Picture 2. A ladder. Picture 5. A magnifying glass. Yes, 19. Some matches. 21. A mirror. 9. A plastic sheet. 1. Some rope. 7. Some safety pins. Yes, picture 20. Scissors. 22. A spade. 14. This is a spade. Some string. 13. A telescope. 17. A tent. 8. A torch. 15. A water container. 16. Some wire. 10. Now we will listen in order to check the answers.
Tape script 4.8. An anchor. Picture 11. An axe. Picture 18. Some candles. Picture 3. A compass. Picture 6. A fishing rod. Picture 4. A hammer and some nails. Picture 12. A knife. Picture 2. A ladder. Picture 5. A magnifying glass. Picture 19. Some matches. Picture 21. A mirror. Picture 9. A plastic sheet. Picture 1. Some rope. Picture 7. Some safety pins. Picture 20. Scissors. Picture 22. A spade. Picture 14. Some string. Picture 13. A telescope. Picture 17. A tent. Picture 8. A torch. Picture 15. A water container. Picture 16. Some wire. Picture 10.
Activity 3. Listen and talk. Listen to these children making suggestions for the things they need to take on a trip to the desert. Let's listen.
Tape script 4.9.
We should take a compass.
We should take some water.
This is a simple way to make suggestions, and you have studied in grade 5 3 other ways to make suggestions. Let's revise them. You studied that making suggestions you can use let's plus a verb in the infinitive case, like the example here, let's go camping. Let's go. And also you can use why don't we or you plus a verb in the infinitive case. I can say, why don't we play football? And we can use how about plus a verb ends with ing. How about playing? How about eating? And so on. And you can use what about instead of how about. And also you can accept a suggestion using one of these expressions. That sounds great. Oh yes, I like. That's a great idea. I love. And when you refuse, you can say, oh no, I don't like, or that's boring. But here you are asked to revise this way, and you will study other ways to accept or refuse a suggestion. Now, work with a partner and take it in turns to make suggestions about the things you should take on a trip to the desert. Find the picture of the things that your partner suggests. You are asked to work in pairs and make suggestions like these. When your friend makes a suggestion, you are asked to find the picture that your partner suggests. By this, we've achieved the aims of this lesson. Thank you for following me. See you soon in another lesson. Goodbye.